Hello everyone. In today's class, we are going to read about the Hindi alphabets, part 4. Before moving into this video, kindly watch the part 1, 2 and 3 of this series and return back to this video. A से अनार, आ से आम, अ से अनार, आ से आम. I से इमली, ई से ईक, I से इमली, ई से ईक. उ से उल्लू, ऊ से ऊन, उ से उल्लू, ऊ से ऊन. रि से ऋषि, ऋषि. रि से ऋषि, ऋषि. ए से एड़ी, येड़ी. ए से एड़ी, एड़ी. आई से ऐनक, ऐनक. आई से ऐनक, ऐनक. Now let us fill few exercises in the coming pages. Try to fill in the blanks. This is your page. The first letter of the given word is blank. Try to fill it. I have filled it. It's Rishi, Rishi. Ri se Rishi. This is your page. Try to fill the first letter of this given word. I have filled it. It's A, D, A, D. A se AD. This is your page. Try to fill the first letter of the given word. I have filled it. It's I, N, K, Ainak. I say Ainak. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like our videos, kindly subscribe to our channel and help us to make more videos like this. I will meet you soon in our next video. Until then, bye. Take care. See you.